All right, so now that we went through our soft start progression for acceleration, we're gonna go into a hard start. With the hard start, you've seen this on the combine all the time, right? So with this one, we're gonna take 1 foot forward, take the lead foot back, come back down. Again, hands placement's right there, elbows here. Now, this whole thing is all about falling forward again and driving this arm up, right? So you're gonna get into a good hard start. All I want you to do is fall forward, drive. Decelerate. So you can keep it at 10 by 10, and as you progress better, you can go farther. And we'll go again, 1 foot, take this foot back, bring this foot back. Nice here, right? Hips a little higher. All you're gonna do is fall forward, drive that arm. And that is how you accelerate.